So we have another question. Paano daw yung process if nagbigay na ng contract si host family and kung need ba pumunta ng Thailand? To answer that, wait lang. Since meron ka ng contract from your host family, first step na gagawin mo is you need to apply for an au pair visa from migrationsverket.se. Doon mo makikita yung form na applyan mo for being an au pair. And then, pupunta ka lang ng Thailand if makareceive ka na ng email from the immigration for a biometrics, which is yung pagtitake ng picture para sa pink card mo papunta dito sa Sweden. Because without it, hindi ka makaka-entry dito sa Europe. And with all the requirements na kailangan mo for the au pair visa, makikita mo din yan with that website. So, i-comment ko na lang in this video kung saan nyo makikita yung form na yun. God bless application and I hope